Okay, so today we're going to be doing a brake bleed on our Akebono, Z1 Akebono kit. We did the change last week, but we didn't do a proper bleed, so we just tend to bleed today to get all the air out because the pedals are still a bit spongy. This is a 1991 right-hand drive, two-seater twin turbo slick top, beautifully colored. We got some 19-inch wheels on here that wraps around the Akebono brakes, and it looks really nice. There we go, Mr. Akebono. Okay, so since these cars are right-hand drive, we usually start bleeding the brakes from the left rear, then we go to the right rear, then front left, and then front right. So the last one is is closer to the master cylinder. So we got the second wheel off on this car. We are about to do the bleed on this one here as well. Okay, so we have Mr. Tider here working on his Z. So he's trying to, do some stuff here. We also going to be changing the struts here on the hatch. And they say it allows you to pop it right up once you release the lever. Hey, check out these exhaust tips. These are custom made, by the way.
Tell him I still won't tell you where I got them.
Yeah, I guess that's your little secret. Okay, so again, this is a 1991 RHD twin turbo slick top, and it's not a swap. This is actually an original twin turbo slick top.
It's written on the engine wall. For non-believers.
Gotcha. And here are the nice, beautiful Akebono brakes with the niche wheels, 19s. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna be doing a bleed, and we're gonna start from the inner, then we're gonna go to the outer one here. Hey, we won't really film the bleed because basically, it's gonna be hard. It's just two of us working on this thing. Again, no T-tops. I guess it's the fairest one off them all, just light. They say this is the best body style for a racing platform for the Z. Okay, so we got our little, ooh man, I'm spilling the brake fluid. So we got a little brake fluid canister here, or kit that we bought from Amazon. So we're gonna use a 10mm wrench. We're gonna take off the dust cap from the bleeder nipple. Oh, man, this thing is, and again it dropped out. And then we're gonna get our little, stick it here onto the nipple, and we just want to keep this here ready to go. Now this thing will just keep popping out. I gotta make sure this thing does not get on the brake rotor. We're gonna have to do a clean Raymond. Okay, so basically we're gonna do the inner one first, and then we're gonna do the outer after. So that's pretty much that. It's as simple as that. Someone gotta be here while someone pump the pedal until the pedal is really solid, and you hold the pedal, you release, you open up the valve, the air comes out. While the pedal is still depressed, we close the valve back, and we keep on doing it until we see no air bubbles in the system. Okay, so we're on the third brakes. This is the left front. Okay, so we have the bleeder kit hooked up to the inner brake bleed nipple, as you can see there. So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna pump the brakes on the inside, hold it until the pedal is really hard, and we're going to release the we're going to release the valve, and once the air escapes, he's going to keep on holding it, and then we're going to lock it up again. Do it about 2 or 3 times until there is no more air coming out. And after we finish the inner, then we're going to do the outer, the same procedure. So it's pretty much straightforward. You just need 2 people to do this. Or if you got a kid that has a one-way system, then you only need 1 person, but it's best if 2 person is doing it from my point of view. Okay, so this concludes our work with this slick top here. Everything is all done. It's looking nice. And actually, we were supposed to do the struts, but we have to just take a pass on that today because time is short. So as you can see, this is a beautiful color.